Good. So I'm going to be talking about the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, and I'm going to keep it on this side for a while as I'm talking, so you can, get a feel of what it is and what's in it and what it does and all that good stuff. So the reason why I use this cleanser in particular is because I was prescribed by the dermatologist. Yes, I go to the dermatologist. I've been to dermatologists due to me having acne. I feel like my acne was out of control, so thank God for parents that they helped me get through it. But yeah, my dermatologist prescribed this to me. The other facial cleansers that I have used in the past did not do anything for me, or it broke me out even more. But this facial cleanser, it leaves my face feeling really clean. It doesn't dry it out, and it lathers up really well. Like it lathers up nicely. And another thing I like about it is that you can just literally use like maybe one pump, maybe two at the max, but just maybe 1 to 2 pumps, and it lathers up crazy. Like, it makes your face feel so clean. Another thing what I like about this cleanser is that it lasts for a very long time. Like, I think I had this bottle since the middle of last year, and I literally probably still have about this much left. And from using it for morning and night, this stuff is amazing. Thumbs up. But yeah, it lathers up very well. It lasts for a long time, and my mom notices as well. She's like, "You had this bottle for a very long time," and I had another bottle of these, and I was kind of running low. It's probably like down here, and I was like, okay, I need to go ahead and buy me a new bottle. And she's like, well, I can use the other bottle of yours. And I was like, okay. And it literally lasts her for about a good 4 to 5 months from using it down here and using it in the morning and at night. So this is some good stuff. I know that they have a different type of facial cleanser as well, one without the foaming, but I like the foaming one, and I was prescribed with this as well. But I love the foaming one because it just makes my face feel extra clean. I think there was one before this one with a different color or a different design on it. I forgot what that was called, because I've been using this stuff since 2011, so that's how long I've been using just this. It doesn't have like a fragrance in it, it smells like a fresh cleanser. It isn't harsh on my skin. Again, like I said before, this is great to use, if you happen to use like a medication for your face and you want a nice foaming, well, not necessarily foam, but if you want like a facial cleanser, to wash your face before you apply your medication or cream or whatever that you apply on your face. This is really well, and as you can see, it says oil controls. I tend to have oily skin. I mean, that's why I had acne in the past. And then on the back, oh gosh. But yeah, what I would say is that some people, to me, it's not necessarily pricely to me, just because the skin condition I have. I know I'm gonna have to pay some money for some stuff, but sometimes in the past I did wish that I can use cleansers that work, that says that fights acne, or that has maybe fruit in it or something that treats acne. It doesn't, it doesn't do anything for me. This works. The other stuff, I wish it did, but it didn't. But it did make my face feel clean. It's just that the next morning I would literally see a pimple or a cyst on my face. But maybe it's just because I didn't have anything to treat it with. But the ingredients might have been too harsh for me. This stuff works amazing. I know they have a CeraVe lotion as well. I've used a moisturizing lotion, and I've used the lotion specialized for your face. I think it's CeraVe facial lotion, I believe. And I know they have an AM one, and I know they have one for PM. When I was just getting on this stuff back in 2011, I was supposed to use the AM one for the AM, of course, and then the PM one for PM. But I noticed, when it's PM more than I am when it's AM. So I got the PM lotion, and it works really well along with this. Sometimes if I don't want to apply the medication on my face, and I just want to apply this in a lotion, but using this and the medication, I mean, depending on what kind of medication you use, you know, your face might dry out, but it has nothing really to do with this. It definitely made my face feel very, 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 very clean. Like I said before, it lathers up lovely, lathers up very, very nicely, and it lasts for a very long time. Like, if it doesn't last for a long time, you must be pumping a lot of this stuff out, because I'm telling you, you really just only need maybe like 1 or 2 pumps. That's about it, 2 at the maximum. But yeah, if you're looking for a good facial cleanser that foams up very well, lathers up really well, try the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser.